Hi everybody, welcome back. In this episode I'm making speaker feet from brass and bamboo plywood. The brass is relatively thick for aesthetics, but mostly for dampening vibrations. The bamboo base is nice and firm to rest the brass on. One reason why the brass dampens vibration because it's softer than steel but yet hard enough and strong enough to withstand the pike of the speaker feet. At the end of the video you can see the setup as of a whole. Copper and aluminium have similar hardness properties but are different materials in properties and looks, of course. The bamboo is a high value wood and quite hard, and it suits this application, therefore the material choice. The feet are about 45mm in square or 2 inches almost. The brass gets cut and a fitting piece of bamboo gets cut to the brass size. Here I specifically used a rib blade, adequate feed speed not to burn the bamboo or the blade. Then some sanding of the materials for gluing. A few bamboo pieces need to be thinner, so a planer made quick work of that. The glue is thick polyurethane and is suitable for different material bonding. The excess glue gets sanded away and finishes the side. The rougher sides complement smooth top side in my opinion. Then a small divot gets drilled. At that point drill feet got finished. Thanks for watching.